love how my hair is looking. It's looking nice and conditioned already. Can you not see the waves? Hey my lovelies, welcome back to another video. I'll be teaching you today how to make this avocado protein mask packed with benefits for your hair. So let's go. The first ingredient is banana. You'll need one ripe banana. Now bananas are packed with vitamins like A, C, and E, which promotes scalp health and boost hair growth. Other natural oils in banana will also help to moisturize and soften your hair. Next, one avocado. Now, as you may know, avocado is a healthy fat, so this will provide your hair with deep hydration, which will make your hair soft and manageable. And I can attest to that because after using this hair mask, my hair was just super soft. Avocado also contains biotin, and biotin can definitely help to prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. So you want to cut that avocado up and add that avocado to your NutriBullet, your blender, or whatever you're using to get everything together. I will link everything in the description box, so also check that out. I'll also add more benefits in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Now, ensure that your avocado is ripe. You do not want to use green avocado where the flesh part of it is hard. No, that will not do you any good. Ensure that your avocado is also ripe. It is not green. You do not want the flesh part of it to be, hard. So the next ingredient, egg. An egg is a protein powerhouse. So this will help to strengthen your hair and promote hair growth. It also has B complex vitamins, which will help to improve your hair's texture and reduce breakage. Now, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can also use olive oil, but coconut oil, it is great for moisturizing your hair. It will help to strengthen your hair and make it nice and shiny. Next, ensure that the next ingredient is honey, but make sure you use quality honey because honey is a natural humectant, so this will help to attract and retain moisture in your hair. So therefore, keep it hydrated and prevent dryness. Absolutely, it did that for me. Okay, so once I add in the 2 tablespoons of honey, I'm just going to cover this up and blend. You want to blend this for roughly 5 minutes because you want to ensure that everything is well blended. It's a nice paste and you don't have chunks of banana in your mask. So blend. And if you've made it this far in the video, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up so others may be able to see this video. So now I'm adding this mask to a bowl. You can add it to whatever you want to, or you can use it straight from the container, from the little NutriBullet if you want to do that. But ensure that you do not waste any of this mask. Ensure that you get every last drop out because that is definitely what I'm doing here. Your hair will need it, so don't waste any of it. Try to get it from the little blending part here, everywhere. So now that my mask is basically all out, I'm going to be applying it to my hair. I did not wash my hair. I just pulled out some braids. First, I'm going in with just water to damp my hair. And my edges are gone because I just pulled out some braids, but don't worry because this is just from tight hairstyles. I can definitely grow my edges back. So ensure that your hair is damped. Your hair should not be dry. So once I think my hair is damped enough, I'm going to be adding in the mask. And right here I realized that I should have sectioned my hair. So I'm just going to rough section it and add the mask. Make sure you just add a little as you're going through, and you need to work this in your hair. Use your fingers to try to kind of comb through your hair to ensure that every strand gets some of this protein mask because your hair is going to love it. I'm on to the second section. I'm smelling because I was so happy with this mask. It was smelling wonderful too, not because the egg is in it, but I love the smell. The banana is so powerful and I love the smell of banana. Now I'm on to the third section of my hair and I have a good amount of mask left, so I'm going to go in with as much as I can for the third section. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the fourth section. And as I said, ensure that you work this in your hair. Ensure that you're massaging your scalp, you're working it, you're combing through with your fingers as you go along. I was so pleased with this. Here I'm making sure that Alright. Alright. This cap, I'm gonna leave the link for it in the description box. I bought this, you know what, crocodile, but it comes like with this string that you can draw to tighten it. So I'm gonna put it on my head like so. All right, it's like you're at the salon but at home. And the only downside to this is that it comes with a cord, so you're going to need to stay one place. But because this is the heat, I'm not going to leave this on my head for really long. I'm going to leave this on my head like 5 minutes and then just plug it in for 5 minutes. Then plug it out, then I'll be able to just walk around like this for a good 30 minutes, 40 minutes. I'll eat and do whatever else I need to do. This is giving me a warm time to pull out because I bought this a long time ago, but I just never used it, right? So the string is like this. So I'm gonna plug it in, and it has this function here, turn on. It's on at the highest setting. So I'm gonna leave this for like what, 5 minutes, until I feel a little bit of heat. Then I plug it out, then I'll leave it on my head for another 30 minutes. So after the 30 minutes, I'll come back, show you my hair, then I'll jump in the shower. I won't be able to, I'll tell you that part when I come back. Okay, so way more than 30 minutes later. Nothing is in it. Just need to kind of wipe it out. It's sweaty. I love how my hair is looking. It's looking nice and conditioned already. Can you not see the waves? Alright, so I'm gonna wash my hair out with cold water in the shower, but I'm not going to video that part because I took some stitches out my face, and because of that, like, I have to be careful how I'm washing my hair in the shower. So I don't want to, you know, wash my hair in the shower with all of that going on, because I'm going to add like saran wrap to my hair. But I'm going to add the shampoo and conditioner on the screen that I use for my hair. I'm just going to do a regular, wash it out with cold water, then go shampoo with lukewarm water, then condition my hair with lukewarm water again, then wash it out with some cold water. Then after I'm finished taking a shower and washing my hair, I'm gonna come back and show you guys what this did to my hair. But so far it feels so soft, and because I love banana and I love the smell of banana, yeah, it is smelling great. So far so great. So I'll catch you when I wash my hair and I get back. I'm afraid into the containers, so you know I'm not wasting anything. So I'm getting that all in my hair. As I said, I'm gonna do a protective style, then I'm gonna cut my hair a few days later. But my hair is so soft and it feels divine right now. Lovely, lovely, lovely protein hair mask. And that's basically it. So if you guys like the video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, sharing the video, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on. Thank you so much for watching. This is avocado protein hair mask. Until next video.